Enjoying the warmth and dancing flames of a fire is a relaxing way to spend time outside. A fire pit lets you spend more time with the family and friends. But what type of fire pit is best for your space? Should you use a wood-burning fire pit or a gas-burning fire pit? There are several factors that can help determine which fire pit style is the best for you. Stay tuned to learn more about the differences between gas and wood-burning fire pits. Fuel type is a major factor to determining what to use the fire pit for. Wood-burning fire pits are great for bonfires, burning brush, and for heating larger outdoor spaces. Fire pits that use natural or propane gas provide a cozy ambience for social gatherings without as much heat as a wood-burning fire pit. Gas fire pits are not designed to burn wood, only gas. Another difference is the maintenance that each fire pit requires. Wood-burning fire pits provide a rustic experience but require more maintenance. The leftover ashes need to be removed to be ready for the next burn. They also experience more degradation from the high heat and general use over time. Meanwhile, gas fire pits don't require the same kind of maintenance. Convenience is another significant factor. It can be trickier to keep the flame lit on a wood-burning fire pit. You'll need kindling, wood, oxygen, and patience to get the fire started. Storing firewood on a log rack is the best way to keep the firewood covered and off the ground to dry. With gas fire pits, on the other hand, all you need to do is to turn the gas release knob and watch the flames come to life. To set this easy ignite option, it needs to be connected to a fuel source. Propane gas fire pits don't require installation, but you will need a propane tank to fuel the flames. Unlike wood-burning fire pits, gas fire pits have a controlled, clean-burning flame that can be used in many settings. This can include patios, decks, balconies, and porches. Both kinds of fire pits are generally safe, but there are certain settings where using a gas fire pit is better. Smoke, embers, and ashes from wood-burning fire pits pollute the air and fall down as you sit around the fire. This can create a potentially dangerous situation, even with a spark screen. However, gas fire pits are clean burning, meaning they don't release harmful waste into the air or create sparks. If you enjoy cooking over a fire, a wood-burning fire pit is the way to go. While you can roast marshmallows over a gas-burning fire pit, you shouldn't cook most foods with one. Oils and fats that burn off while cooking these items can leak into the gas line and can cause a fire. To avoid damaging your fire pit, avoid cooking over a gas-burning fire pit. One last thing to consider is the kind of environment that you want to create while using it. The crackle of the firewood, the falling of the ashes, and the aroma of burning wood create a cozy place to enjoy outdoor time. There's just nothing like sitting around a hot wood-burning fire and making memories with your loved ones. On the other hand, gas fire pits produce virtually zero smoke. The orange dancing flame provides a warm ambient glow to your surroundings. They also feature more decorative designs to fit with any outdoor decor. Gas fire pits are perfect for s'mores nights because they're great for roasting marshmallows. Most gas fire pits also have a place to set s'mores fixings while you prep the marshmallows. While there are many factors to consider, ultimately the best kind of fire pit depends on your preference. Both types of fire pits offer a cozy place to enjoy warmth and a fun place to gather with loved ones. At SunnydazeDecor.com, you can browse a wide variety of wood-burning and gas fire pits that'll fit your space the best. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.